In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a complete sales funnel in Lovable.dev from prompt to publish. We'll start from a blank project and end with a live URL you can share, keeping everything simple, clear, and fast. First, head over to Lovable.dev and log in. Once you're in, look for the option to create something new. You might see New Project or Start a Project. Click that to open a fresh workspace where Lovable can generate your funnel. In the chat-style prompt box, type a clear instruction such as build a sales funnel with a landing page, sign-up form, thank you page, and a checkout section. Press enter to submit. The more specific you are, the better the starting point. If you have a particular audience, offer, or tone, you can mention that in your phrasing, but the core structure is exactly as written. Now give Lovable a moment to generate the basic funnel pages. You'll see a preview appear once it's ready. Click through the landing page, the sign-up form, and the checkout. This quick tour helps you confirm the pages exist and the flow makes sense from top to bottom. If you want to change any text, open the design area and choose visual edits. Click directly on the headline or description you want to tweak and type your new copy. Aim for a headline that states the main benefit and keep the description concise and helpful so visitors immediately understand the offer. To edit a button, select it and type a new label, like Get Started or Continue. Then add the link that points to the next step in the funnel. For example, the landing page button should go to your sign-up form, and the forms button should lead to the thank you page or checkout, depending on your flow. Short, action-focused labels tend to perform best. To update the lead capture form, click the form, add the fields you need, typically name and email, and set where submissions should go. You can route them to a database or have them sent to an email destination. Collect only what you truly need to reduce friction and make sure the destination you choose is one you'll actually monitor. When you're ready to test, click Preview and walk through the entire funnel as a visitor would. Check that text reads correctly, buttons link to the right pages, and the form submits without errors. If everything looks good, click Deploy or Publish to make your funnel live on a URL. Copy that link and you're ready to share your funnel with the world. That's it, quick, efficient, and fully customizable with Lovable.